I just want to show you all a little example of how Lean Six Sigma and continuous process improvement actually works. You can receive the same level of quality, but be more efficient, get the job done more efficiently, meaning faster, but with the same outcome. So this is just an example of a microwave. And I've got to microwave a breakfast sandwich for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So here's a process right here, right? Cook time, 1 minute and 30 seconds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's cancel that out, try again, see if we can do it a little more efficiently. Okay, we just do the 1, 2, 3. 3-step process. That's great. So we're continuous process improvement. Somebody makes a suggestion that we can do it even faster by just pressing the quick start 1 plus 30 seconds. 2 steps now. So there's a little example for you achieving the same results more efficiently through continuous process improvement.